Hello there. This is a quick introduction 2-minute video to the Wolff e-bike, not to be confused with the Damac Wolff. This one has two F's, and this model here is the Utopia. I just thought I would do a quick introduction because there are heavy riders such as myself that are over 300 pounds, and they need something that they know is going to be able to take them up steep hills. And also have a solid frame with solid connectors and heavy-duty fittings. This one has a color screen, which is nice. SRAM shifter. Lots of features on it. 9 speeds, which is another thing that comes in handy if you're a heavy rider. So, e-bike, 500 watts, legal in Canada because it meets the requirements. It also meets all the requirements for bike paths, not just in Canada, but in the United States, because the throttle shifter only works if you're in motion. So it does not work from a dead stop. Very safe. So if someone comes up to your bike while you're sitting there and they decide to hit that, it's not going to lurch forward. The screen is color. High quality screen, as you can see, and it also has buzzback feedback, like when you're texting. So if you're not looking at it, it'll give you that feedback to let you know you switch settings. Switches off after 5 minutes. Added some safety, other features. I put the seat on. The seat does not come with it. The seat that comes with it is this one. So if you have a smaller butt, you can stick with this one, but if you want something a little more comfortable, get that one. So I bought the bike with my own money. This is not a promotional video. Everything that I show in my videos, I've paid for with my own money. So if you like the video or you want to see more, hit subscribe and like, and I'll keep making videos of products that I'm buying with my own money, not ones that people are sending me. So that's the whole point of Blue Collar Guy, is we work hard for our money and we want to have good quality stuff. All right, so take care. This one's out of Montreal, Canada. So it is meant for winter. As you can tell in my other video, we took it outside. And I'm also going to be changing a few things on it to meet my specific requirements, but you may not need to. So, good bike, 9-speed, 500-watt motor. Takes heavy people like me uphill because it's not just the motor, it's the quality of the motor. And this 500-watt motor is a high-quality motor. So don't just go by the wattage, go by the quality. All right? Okay, so take care and talk to you later. Bye.